Are you gonna fall? Are you sitting by the open window? You're gonna fall? What? I hear Daddy. What was that flying? Was that gonna get you? Sit down. Was something flying? What are you doing, bud? Can you say hi?
Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi. Can you say hi, baby Violet?
Hi, baby. Fly.
What is that?
Fly.
Flies? What's the matter? What? I don't see a bug. What you doing? Was there a bug? Whoa! What? You did fall on me. You hear Daddy? Oh. Are you gonna exercise? Pool? Okay, hold on. I'll hold it. You pull. This isn't dangerous. Pull. 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 I got it. Right. Pull. Pull. Go, 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 go. Go. You did fall.
No.
Go, go, go. Pull me. Pull, pull. Yeah! Whoa! You did fall. Pull it. I think you're falling on purpose. One more pull. Pull it. Pull, pull it. Oh, okay, I'll pull harder. Come on. You ready? What you doing? You did fall on Mommy. Keep going. All right, one more time. Pull it real far. You fall. Okay, can you put it up?
No.
Yeah, Mommy's gonna, no more pulling. Mommy's gonna do something with the tape, okay? Come here, you want to help me? Oh, you want to help me? Can you take that off my arm? No, sir, let go of that. You little toot. Come here and take this. Come here. Can you come get this for me? Are you upset? Oh, man. Come here and get the tape. Come here, baby. I need you to hold it for me, okay? Yes. No, come here. You're gonna help me. Come here and get it. Somebody wants to throw a fit. Come get it. Can you get it for Mommy? Thank you. Say bye-bye.